Flyers.
VistaShopee
Has given impressive flyer design. You may choose any of it and download. You could see company details and personal details already added. Personalize it with your product or service details. You may change the text already added. You can type in or simply copy-paste the content. You may use the text from products or services added by you into
VistaShopee.
Flexibility to change the size and color of the font. Text added can be saved to My Messages library to access it next time. You may add photos from gallery or can capture using camera, or can choose from products if added, or can use photo library provided by
VistaShopee.
You may adjust the photo visibility by zooming and panning it. Background can be replaced with different other backgrounds or image, or even any solid color. And done. Save the changes to the flyer. Flyer is ready to go.
VistaShopee
Has inbuilt editor to modify the design further. You can draw, or add extra text. Photos, clip arts to it. Check the checkbox of Include Smart Icons on to include your social media account links to your flyer. Save this flyer
to VistaShopee
gallery for quick access. Use Share option to send it to an individual, or share it with new contacts which is not yet added to your contact list.